Yo, Phil's Detail, what's going on? I saw your page on Instagram and I saw you doing pretty cool stuff with cars.
Yes, I am. I am really into cars. We specialize in all sorts of paint correction, detailing, interior detailing, ceramic coatings.
That's awesome, man. You do a great job. I see the cars on there. You got pretty cool cars on there. They look really good.
Yes. A lot of performance cars, BMWs, Mercedes, Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, everything.
And you do this by yourself?
Yes, most of the work is done by me, yes.
Awesome, man. So I see you have this car right behind you and this shirt on.
Yeah, yes.
Are you a Mercedes fan?
Yes, I am a huge Mercedes AMG fan. And then this behind me is a 2021 C63S Coupe.
And this is what you're driving here in South Florida.
Yes, exactly.
That's awesome, man.
Yep, we're here at Ball Harbor. This is a twin turbo V8, 4 liters of displacement.
Wow.
Yep, it's the S version, so it's got the bigger brakes. It's got the dynamic engine mounts for better handling. Should we pop the hood and see what's...
Absolutely, man. Let's take a look underneath the hood.
Okay, let's do it. So we have here the V8, 4 liter V8.
Wow.
Boom.
The turbos are up top, huh?
Yes, exactly. That's what makes this car very, very special. This is the M177 LS1. This is the high inside V setup for the 8-cylinder motor. Usually cars have the intake manifold sitting on the top, and then the exhaust manifold is on the outside. But this car is like I said before, a high inside V with the turbo sitting on the inside. Why this is very special is it makes up for less turbo lag because the air comes right into these ducts, through the air filters into the turbo, through the intercooler, and then the cold air is on the outside of the V, hence making for colder air going into the engine, less turbo lag, colder air, more power.
Wow. So I heard you mention before, what are the specifications for this particular car?
So the specs for this one right here, this is the S version, so we have a different tune, different map on the ECU. This one in particular is 503 horsepower.
Wow.
And 516 pounds-feet of torque at 2,000 RPM. So very on in the RPM range. We have full torque, creating a very fast acceleration for the vehicle.
That's amazing. The car looks great too.
Yes.
Can you tell us, I see these big red brakes. Holy smokes. Can you tell us about those?
Yes. So this is actually not the carbon ceramic, package on this car. This is the normal steel rotors and the ceramic blend pads. It's a six piston caliper in the front, which is a very, very strong brake. That's a lot of pistons. It's got a monoblock, and then it's got the floating caliper in the back, single piston in the back, and 6 piston in the front.
Amazing.
With a lightweight monoblock caliper.
It's got a really nice rear end.
Yes. Yep. And then we've got 285s on the back wheels, and then 255s in the front. So we have more traction going to the rear because all the power is going to the rear wheels.
Wow.
So yeah.
Awesome. Can we take a look inside?
Yes, let's do it. Okay. So this is the coupe version. Obviously, as you can see, it doesn't have the sport bucket seats. These are the more comfortable. This is the more comfortable option if you want a daily.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. You keep it very clean.
Yeah.
Is there adequate space in the back? Can you actually show us? You're about 5'10", right?
Yes. So I'm about 5'10", and as you can see, I can climb in here. Let me move these seatbelts up. I can climb in here pretty easily, and there is a good amount of leg room for a coupe, for a C-Class coupe.
Wow.
And as for headroom, I don't have much, but I have enough. And another really awesome thing is if it's just 2 people, you can fold down these seats and create extra room from the trunk.
Wow.
Which is
that's great.
Yep.
I see you got this Panamera roof.
Yep, full panoramic.
Very nice.
We've got, which is very important, we also have a Burmester sound system.
I saw that.
Yes, right here. We got 2 speakers on each door panel. We have 2 speakers on this side and on the other side in the rear as well.
Very nice.
So,
Can you start it up for us?
Yes, let's start it up. Okay. So move this back. Actually, we'll keep the hood open so we can hear the engine. But this is what it sounds like.
Monstrous.
And then, it's that soft button.
Wow.
Yup. And then a very interesting fact about the 2019 and plus, this in particular is a 2021. So after 2019, they actually made the AMG exhaust of the C63S, 4-door and the Coupes standard with the vehicle. So
wow.
Every C63 and C63S come with an AMG performance exhaust.
That's amazing.
Yup.
Thanks, Phil. Can let's go ahead and take some rollers.
Okay.